But has this ever happened to you? Okay, well, as you can see, it's busted, but this is a good shovel and I don't want to throw it away, so what do? The FixIt wrap. Yes, the FixIt wrap. Now, this is a great product to keep, especially in your bug out bag. Stuff hits the fan bag, everyday repairs. I just left it in my garage for a couple of months. I said, there's got to be a solution. Here it is. Well, let's see how it works. Comes with gloves, comes with sandpaper, comes with instructions. Okay, so we got this vinyl strip, fiberglass cloth with a heavy-duty resin. We're going to soak that in the water. Once you got your fiber wet, then we can start the wrapping process. I'm going to wrap this pretty tight. I should wrap it back down around the middle section. So we sanded it, put it back in, soaked our wrapped this vinyl around it, and I think it takes about 15 minutes to harden it. It didn't even give you an extra one. You can use this on PVC, stainless steel, all kinds of metals, wood. But once this is done, this is supposed to be a steel-like repair. Ready to give it a shot? Yep. Just dug out a root. Yep. Sounds like roots. Look at that. This thing's solid. Solid. It's like steel. Absolutely love it, and I highly recommend it.